Welcome to Zero to Radiant, and I'm Sheng. In this video, we will dive into kalilinux, a powerful operating system designed for cybersecurity professionals. We will cover what kalilinux is, its key features, and walk through the installation process. Let's get started. So, what is kalilinux? It's a Debian-based kalilinux distribution for security auditing, penetration testing, and ethical hacking. Developed by Offensive Security, kalilinux comes preloaded with over 600 security tools. Whether you are testing network vulnerabilities, conducting a digital forensic, or learning cybersecurity, kalilinux is your go-to OS. Before installing kalilinux, here is what you will need. A compatible system with at least 4 GB of RAM and 40 GB of disk space. Virtual machine managers such as VirtualBox, VMware, Hyper-V for Windows machine, and Parallel Desktop for macOS. In this video, VirtualBox Virtual Machine Manager will be used. To install VirtualBox, search VirtualBox in any browser, go to the download page and download. After that, install the VirtualBox by following the instruction. For the kalilinux ISO image, which you can download from the official website, search kalilinux ISO and click the Get Kali and install the kalilinux 20 and 24.3 installer ISO in installer images subpage. After the installation of VirtualBox and kalilinux ISO image, go to the VirtualBox, click Machine and New. Specify the name of virtual machine and input the kalilinux installer ISO file. Furthermore, select virtual hardware based on your computer performance. Select 5112 MB RAM and 4 CPUs in my situation. Specify the virtual hardware storage. Don't less than 20 GB. Here will be select 50 GB. Check the summary and click Done. After that, go to the settings and change the share clipboard and drag and drop to bidirectional and increase the video memory to max. Check the ISO file is in the storage. Specify the function of network adapter to NAT and AT. If you want the virtual machine to interact with your host computer, like in the same network, select Bridge Adapter. Start the machine. And select Graphical Installation using up and down arrow key and press Enter. Follow the on-screen instruction. Choose your preferred language, location, and keyboard layout. Specify hostname of the system. Here is Kali Machine. Clear the domain name. Set up full username, account username, and password. Configure the disk partitioning. For beginners, the guided option work best and keep continue. Check the partitioning, select the finish partitioning and write changes to this option and continue. Select yes. Let the installer to install base system. Follow the checkbox option in the video. Install software package. Select yes and continue to install grub. Specify the grub installation location to /dev/sda. After the installation is complete, reboot your system. Go to Display to change the screen resolution based on your computer resolution. Open the terminal and enter sudo apt update and enter password to update the software package. Next, using command sudo apt upgrade to upgrade software application in kalilinux. Now you are ready to explore the world of kalilinux. And that's it. Now you have a fully functional kalilinux operating system. Whether you are learning cybersecurity or performing advanced penetration testing, kalilinux offers everything you need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in next video.